Hey everyone, this is Rutvij and welcome back to another video. तो दोस्तों अप्रैल 2020 में गवर्नमेंट ने BS6 नॉर्म्स कंपलसरी कर दिए थे और इसके चलते होंडा ने अपने वेबसाइट से कई सारी बाइक्स को अलविदा कहा था। उनमें से एक थी होंडा हॉर्नेट 160R। अब अर्ली अगस्त 2020 में होंडा ने एक टीजर लॉन्च किया था जिसमें उन्होंने एक स्ट्रीट फाइटर बाइक दिखाई थी। पर क्या वो बाइक नई हॉर्नेट हो सकती थी? 27 अगस्त 2020 को हमें इसका जवाब फाइनली मिल गया है। वी हैव द होंडा हॉर्नेट 2.0। Now what this 2.0 is all about? Well, I'm here to tell you all about it. Let's get going. The Honda Hornet 2.0 has managed to tick off some right boxes and looks is definitely one of them. The bike gets a completely revised styling which carries on the same DNA of previous generation Hornet 160R but looks muscular and aggressive than before.
Hornet 2.0 का LED हेडलाइट हमें Hornet 160R की याद दिलाता है। इस बाइक के एग्रेसिव टैंक श्राउड्स, शार्प लाइंस, नई पेंट स्कीम और ग्राफिक्स इसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा फ्रेश और मस्कुलर बनाते हैं। द टेल सेक्शन हैज़ बीन रिवाइज्ड विथ फॉक्स वेंट्स। इसी के साथ इसमें ट्रेडमार्क एक्स शेप्ड LED टेल लाइट और स्टबी एग्जॉस्ट भी कंटिन्यू किए हैं।
Overall, the Honda Hornet 2.0 looks like a bigger bike than it actually is. Now, when the previous generation Honda Hornet 160R was launched, it was fresher, muscular, aggressive and different than its competitors like the Suzuki Gixxer and the Yamaha FZ. This one, the Honda Hornet 2.0 as well, looks much fresher and aggressive than its competition and is definitely an eye candy for many Honda fanboys. In terms of features as well, the Honda Hornet 2.0 gets loads of new features which were really missed on the Honda Hornet 160R. This also makes the bike tick few more right boxes.
Hornet 2.0 gets an all LCD instrument console. इसमें गियर पोजीशन इंडिकेटर, सर्विस इंडिकेटर, ट्रिप मीटर्स, क्लॉक और फ्यूल गेज जैसे फीचर्स दिए गए हैं, पर अब तक इसमें गियर शिफ्ट इंडिकेटर नहीं दिया गया। इस बाइक में सामने की तरफ गोल्डन कलर के अपसाइड डाउन फोक्स भी दिए हैं जो कि सब 200cc कैटेगरी में फर्स्ट टाइम दिया है। द ब्रेकिंग इज हैंडल्ड बाय 276 mm पेडल डिस्क अप फ्रंट एंड 220 mm डिस्क ब्रेक एट रियर विद सिंगल चैनल ABS। इस बाइक के सारे इंडिकेटर्स LED दिए हैं और इसमें टैंक माउंटेड इग्निशन भी दिया है। Unlike the previous generation Hornet, this one now gets a kill switch, a hazard light switch and improvised switchgear.
The engine and performance was a strong factor in case of Honda Hornet 160R.
Hornet 2.0 को पोजीशन किया है एक ऐसी इंजन कैटेगरी में जो कि इंडियन ऑटोमोबाइल मार्केट में काफ़ी कम रह गई है, दैट इज द 180cc इंजन कैटेगरी। द बाइक इज पावर्ड बाय 184.4cc air-cooled engine which puts out 17.2 PS of max power at 8,500 RPM and 16.1 Newton meters of max torque at 6,000 RPM. These numbers suggest that Hornet 2.0 will have good mid-range, which is a specialty of Honda with their previous generation Hornet 160R. Hornet 2.0 compete करेगी Bajaj Pulsar NS 160, TVS Apache RTR 204V और Hero Xpulse 200 जैसी बाइक्स के साथ। The compression ratio on Hornet 2.0 has been reduced to 9.5:1. It gets a 5-speed gearbox with multi-plate wet clutch. Hornet 2.0 में 12 लीटर का फ्यूल टैंक दिया है और ये बाइक 142 kg वे करती है। होंडा जानी जाती है अपनी अच्छी बिल्ड क्वालिटी और स्मूथ इंजन के लिए, पर ये चीज़ें हमें बाइक लॉन्च होने के बाद ही पता चलेगी। For now, from the photos, the chassis looks similar to what we had seen on Hornet 160R. Also, the ergonomics looks similar to the previous generation Hornet. The changes beneath skin are unknown to us for now, but we'll get to know about them once we lay our hands on the bike. What's more interesting to know is how the bike will handle and face real-life challenges on open roads and city traffic with the given curb weight of 142 kgs and those performance figures.
Well, the bike hasn't launched yet, but from the spec sheet and the launch video, we can make out some of the pros and cons of Honda Hornet 2.0. In the pros section, the bike has some really good looks, The power figures are decent compared to its competitors. It gets a plethora of features which was missing on the previous generation Hornet, and also it is priced really competitively. This bike is priced at approximately 1.2 lakh rupees ex-showroom pan India, which also means that when this will be launched, it will be priced at around 1.4 lakhs to 1.48 lakhs on road. In terms of con or the downsides of this bike, we have got a 5-speed transmission, whereas a 6-speed would have been really appreciated. Also, the bike gets an air-cooled engine and not liquid-cooled or oil-cooled. Although it would have took a toll on the price, but it would have made the bike more reliable and better. Also, the bike gets single-channel ABS and dual-channel is not offered yet. Dual-channel ABS would have been a good investment when it comes to safety. The previous generation Honda Hornet 160R gave a tough run to its competitors when it came to performance, quality and styling. And with all things that we have seen on Honda Hornet 2.0 till now, it also promises to do the same. But the bike isn't launched yet, and a final word can only be given when we actually get to try the bike. Well, I am waiting for the same. With that said, this is Rutvij signing off. See you again in the next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye.